RKA 4JL today, I'm going to solve 5 set theory exercises. But before that, subscribe to the channel and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Let's get to the exercise. We have set A with the elements 2, 4, 6, and 8, and set B, which has the elements 4, 8, and 12. How can we represent these sets? Let's do it here. 2, 6, 4, and 8. This here is set A. Now it is 12. This here is set B. 4 and 8 belong to both sets. This symbol here means union. So, the union of B is the combination of all the elements. The union B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. Because these are all the elements from both sets. Now let's go to part B, which is the intersection B. What is the intersection? It's only the elements that are part of both sets. So it's only these elements here. We can see it clearly here in the representation. So it will be the intersection B is equal to 4 and 8. Now let's move on to the next one. We have set X with the elements A, B, C, and D, and set Y with the elements B, D, and E. D, C, and D. And here on the side, the other set E. Let's solve the problem here. Letter A, X minus Y, set X minus set Y. With the representation, it's easy, we know the answer. We can clearly see the elements that belong exclusively to set X, so by carefully removing what is also present in set Y, we are then left with the letter A, which precisely equals AC, which is precisely what is only found in set X, which is essentially X minus what intersects with Y. And the same principle applies to letter B, which represents the set Y minus the set X, which is precisely what is shown here. So what's left is E. There you go, it's easy, and it gets much easier when we use the graphic representation here. Let's move on to the next exercise. List all the subsets of C. Let's get started. First, we have the empty set, the letter A, the letter B, the letter C. Now, the combinations A, B, A and C, continuing B, C. Now the set A, B, C itself. So here are all the subsets of C, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets. Using the Venn diagram, it's much easier to visualize the relationships between the sets. Well, leave a like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.